The number 4 on the list is
the Logitech G Pro mechanical gaming keyboard is a cutting-edge gaming peripheral designed to provide gamers with an exceptional and immersive gaming experience. This keyboard features an ultra-portable 10-keyless design, which means it's compact and doesn't have a numeric keypad, making it easier to transport and perfect for gamers on the go. The compact form factor ensures more desk space for mouse movement and comfort during intense gaming sessions. It's an excellent choice for esports enthusiasts and those who prefer a minimalistic setup. One of the standout features of this gaming keyboard is the detachable USB cable, which makes it even more convenient for travel. The detachable cable adds versatility, allowing users to easily switch between a wired or wireless configuration, depending on their needs. Additionally, the keyboard boasts LIGHTSYNC RGB backlit keys, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your gaming rig. The RGB lighting is customizable and can be synchronized with in-game events, music, or even tailored to your personal preferences. This feature adds an exciting visual element to your gaming environment. The Logitech G Pro mechanical gaming keyboard is also the official League of Legends edition, making it a must-have for fans of this popular esports title. The exclusive design and branding offer a unique and immersive League of Legends experience. This keyboard's mechanical switches provide tactile and precise key presses, ensuring swift and accurate command execution during gameplay. With anti-ghosting and customizable key macros, it's engineered for competitive gaming performance. In summary, this gaming keyboard is a high-performance, portable, and visually striking option, ideal for both professional and casual gamers who value quality and style in their gaming gear.
the number 3 on the list is
the Corsair Wired K60 RGB Pro mechanical gaming keyboard is a high-performance peripheral designed to elevate your gaming experience. This keyboard boasts Cherry mechanical key switches, known for their exceptional responsiveness and durability. Gamers will appreciate the tactile and audible feedback these switches offer, enhancing their precision and speed during gameplay. Built to withstand the rigors of intense gaming sessions, the keyboard features a robust and sleek aluminum frame. This durable frame not only enhances the keyboard's structural integrity but also gives it a premium look and feel. Its sturdiness ensures that the keyboard can endure the demands of competitive gaming, making it a long-lasting investment for enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the K60 RGB Pro is its customizable per-key RGB backlighting. Each key can be personalized to display any color, allowing you to create a visually stunning and unique gaming setup. The customization options are virtually limitless, enabling you to match the keyboard's lighting to your gaming environment, mood, or preference. Whether you want to set a specific color scheme or use dynamic lighting effects, this keyboard empowers you to make it your own. In conclusion, the Corsair Wired K60 RGB Pro mechanical gaming keyboard combines the precision of Cherry mechanical key switches with the durability of an aluminum frame and customizable per-key RGB backlighting. This product is an ideal choice for gamers who seek a reliable and visually stunning keyboard to enhance their gaming performance and aesthetic.
the number 2 on the list is
the SteelSeries USB Apex 5 hybrid mechanical gaming keyboard is a cutting-edge gaming peripheral designed to elevate your gaming experience. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, This keyboard boasts an aircraft-grade aluminum alloy frame that not only enhances its aesthetics, but also ensures long-lasting performance. The sleek aluminum design exudes quality and is capable of withstanding the rigors of intense gaming sessions. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its per-key RGB illumination, which allows you to customize the lighting on each individual key. This level of personalization enables you to create stunning lighting effects that match your gaming setup or mood. The RGB lighting enhances the visual appeal and sets the stage for an immersive gaming environment. The hybrid blue switches offer a tactile and clicky keystroke, delivering a satisfying typing and gaming experience with quick response times. Additionally, the Apex 5 keyboard comes equipped with an OLED smart display, which serves as a central hub for vital information during your gaming sessions. This display can show in-game stats, Discord messages, or music track information, all without the need to minimize your game. This intuitive feature enhances your multitasking capabilities, keeping you informed and engaged without interrupting your gameplay. In summary, the SteelSeries USB Apex 5 hybrid mechanical gaming keyboard combines top-notch build quality, customizable RGB lighting, tactile switches, and an OLED smart display to deliver a premium gaming experience that is sure to impress even the most discerning gamers.
The number 1 on the list is
the 8BitDo Retro Mechanical Keyboard is a versatile and feature-rich input device designed for gaming enthusiasts. This keyboard offers a unique blend of modern and retro aesthetics, making it a stylish addition to any setup. With a total of 87 mechanical keys, it provides a tactile and responsive typing experience that's ideal for both gaming and general computer use. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its connectivity options. It supports Bluetooth, 2.4G wireless, and USB-C connections, giving users the flexibility to connect to a wide range of devices, including Windows and Android systems. This adaptability ensures that the keyboard can seamlessly switch between various devices, making it a valuable tool for gamers who play across multiple platforms. The 8BitDo Retro Mechanical Keyboard's standout feature is its dual super programmable buttons. Gamers can customize these buttons to execute specific commands, macros, or functions, enhancing their gameplay experience. This level of customization empowers users to tailor the keyboard to their unique gaming preferences and style. Overall, the 8BitDo Retro Mechanical Keyboard, in its N edition, is a versatile and stylish gaming keyboard with responsive mechanical keys, multiple connectivity options, and programmable buttons. Its compatibility with both Windows and Android systems and its blend of modern and retro design elements make it a compelling choice for gamers looking for a high-performance and customizable keyboard.